Torch.
Huh?
Torchke.
Oh, gee.
Okay. Große Hammer of growing ember and thorn. Limbs and I heard it was tricky. Because it was rain, I passed all speeds. So upon her face. A what? Is it why you know? Survival notes. See? Really? It was weapons. So the walls will not save you. She will figure them down. Do not look at her. I cannot speak with this whenever. I can't tell you are already dead. The grace will trigger the final. Just try not to look at her or it will kill us. But
Hơi kìa. I
Đừng
shall
chứ nhờ cái
have
mặt.
many wood. What?
đừng chứ nhận cái mặt cái quái vật nha.
Gì vậy?
Bên what the fuck, đừng chứ nhìn cái mặt nha, để bị chúng ta bị chết đó. Cái sách đó nó nói là do not look at her.
Hmm? I can see.
Nó nói là do not look at her. Page 4.
Oh.
Try not look at her. Bên nhìn
Gì rồi?
cái support kìa. Được không ạ? Ben!
What?
Ben!